Assalamualaikum students. Hopefully you have done exercise 1. This is exercise 2. Let's start. Assalamualaikum students. Hopefully you have done exercise 1. This is exercise 2. Let's start. Means exercise 2. This is your lesson number 2 of English. We will start this lesson with some examples. Here are 3 examples. Let's read them. Number 1. Ali comes in the evening. Ali does not come in the evening. First sentence is in positive and here is the negative for the first one. Ali comes in the evening. Ali शाम में आता है. Ali does not come in the evening. Ali शाम में नहीं आता है. I added does not and I remove s. Now this is come and in the first one this is comes. Number 2 example. She washes her face. Its negative is she does not wash her face. Number 3. Duck swims in cold water and its negative is duck does not swim in cold water. This is another set of some examples. Number 1. They buy burgers for lunch. Now its negative is they do not buy burgers for lunch. वो लंच के लिए बर्गर्स ख़रीदते हैं. वो लंच के लिए बर्गर्स नहीं ख़रीदते हैं. Number 2. I go for a walk every day. I do not go for a walk every day. Number 3. You take bath before meal. Its negative is you do not take bath before meal. In this lesson, I am telling you the use of does not and do not. In this you can see where we have to use does not and where we use do not. With he, she, it and singular noun we use does not. And with they, we, you, I and plural noun we use do not. These are negative of simple present tense. In first BMT you have done the simple present tense. Here are some more examples. Number 1. He plays. For simple present we add s or es with singular noun he, she and it. So we have written he plays. We added s because now there is he. He plays. वो खेलता है. And its negative is he does not play. Remember, when we add does not, we have to remove s. You can see here is plays and its negative form and its negative form this is play without s. Number 2. Ayla weeps and its negative Ayla does not weep. Again weep is without s. Number 3. Child drinks. Its negative child does not drink. Number 4. It takes time and its negative it does not take time. The second set of examples, I wash, you can see there is no S. With wash there is no S. I wash, you know, because I have told you in first PMT with I, you, we, they and plural noun we use first simple present verb without S. I wash, I do not wash. So here we have to add do not. And no change in verbs. Here is wash and here is wash. Number 2, you cry, it's negative. You do not cry. Number 3, we clean, it's negative. We do not clean. Number 4, they eat and it's negative. They do not eat. Now you can do this exercise 2 in your booklet easily. Exercise 2 is change following sentences into negative by adding does not and do not. And you know where you use does not and where you use do not. So here are the sentences. She washes her clothes. Number 2, Amin earns a lot of money. Number 3, you always cry on your failure. Number 4, we park our cars in parking areas. Number 5, Tom waves his tail for giving a sign of player. You can see in both of these and you have to add does not. Here you can see cry is a verb and this is without as, and as you know with you we use simple present verb without s. So you always cry, and with you use do not. With we use do not. Tom is again singular noun and waves s is added with verb. So you have to remove s and you have to add does not here. Rest of sentences are on the next page. Number 6, I clean my room on daily basis. Number 7, my aunt buys our grocery from Sunday Bazaar. Number 8, children like to play in garden. Number 9, my father works in an office. Number 10, they attend assembly every day. In all these clean, buys, like, walks and attend are all verbs. And I, aunt, children, father, they are nouns and pronouns. So be careful adding do not and does not.